Alice in Wonderland. I saw it a little while ago, the new one by Tim Burton, and I thought it was okay. You know, it was pretty good. I guess. There were things I liked about it, things I didn't like about it. One of the things that everyone made a big deal about was the effect where Alice shrunk in her own clothes. They were like, "Ooh, that looks awesome." It's not that big a deal. I shrink in my pants all the time. Ow! Oh. Actually, it feels kind of good right here. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. Alright, I'm up. Whew. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh my god, I have no pulse. So, where was I? Oh yeah. What was that?
Don't play innocent with me.
Who is that?
You've known all along.
Where are you?
Follow the cold shiver running down your spine. I'm right here.
Gee, what? How did? But you're. Wait, okay. It's all this out. Hey.
Boo!
How do you know that? What? What? No. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video, numero 4. I'm done trying to get it right in Spanish. Yes.